Hello everyone, hope all luhamba kahle. So as abantu abaningi benu bayazi ukuthi uNaledi benomawelele are no longer together, sebehlukene, they broke up. So in this video today ngizokudlalela yena uNaledi echaza ukuthi yindaba behlukanile. Why behlukanile, bahlukaniswe yini? Ngaba naye umawelele naye wenza ama-live uthi lana nangu
whatever we had with him maybe in public, I don't regret anything. Like I don't regret it. Like in days I am like with how we expected things to go, they didn't go. And what's happening is if and you look at things from part, even from Ngaphakathi, I can hear people in Facebook, they're trying to be like Jay-Z and Beyonce.
Wenza ama-live wenza ngathi kubuhlungu enhlizweni yakhe. Meanwhile ama-video akhe ayatrenda nenye intombazane. But yena uthi no, lama-video madala, kunomuntu omsebenzisela ama-video amadala. Asazi-ke ngalokho, kuyena owaziyo. But-ke njengoba ngikuthembisile ukuthi ngizokudlalela ivideo yaNaledi echaza ukuthi kwenzakaleni phakathi kwabo, asambe soyibuka leyo video.
Ngixoxele indaba zakhe. Umawelele. So mina angizazi kahle, angizazi ukuthi ngimephi. Ngakhetha umdedela ke ukuthi abe nepeace, abe right. Because phela bese ngimthanda ngedwa mina. Mina ade sengithanda. Ade sengiyikhansela mina. Yimini ikhansela shuthi bekuyimini ikhansela. Bekuyimini ikhansela ngoba ngiyikhansela ke. Sathi umhlala phansi ke. Akabe right umawelele. Ngizoqhubeka ngibe single vele, it's not like khona mhlawumbe tezoncinci. Guys, I'm serious. Mina umalele ngigcineni nokhuluma naye, mhlawumbe ngigcineni nokhuluma naye. Ngabe futhi uyabona ngiposta ngaye. Guys, yini bafethu ayisekho nje le yanhlansi leyana. Ngicela ningikhole. Sengi-right ngumawelele, ngi-right. Ngitep. Ngi-right. Hayi ngambulali. Miyekeni nje. Thiwa umthando bomyeyela hambe. Kuthena uhlela ukhala. Guys, ngimncane nabi mina ukuthi ngaloye ngistress umfana. Awu, yebo. Angeke nje.
Okay everyone, bekuyiyona-ke ivideo yanamhlanje. Siva lapho-ke ivideo yanamhlanje sibeka unqi. I really hope ukuthi u-enjoyile ivideo. If you enjoyile, ngiyacela ukuthi usmash lo like button, uphinde usmash nalo subscribe button, and mina-ke I'll see you in the next video. Bye.